If you're looking for a way to soothe your tired eyes, a heated eye mask might be just what you need. These masks use gentle heat to relax the muscles around your eyes and help relieve tension headaches. There are a lot of different heated eye masks on the market, so we've rounded up the 10 best ones available on Amazon. Whether you're looking for something to use at home or on the go, there's an option on this list for you. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list, we have the RRIS Electric USB Heated Eye Mask with 5 temperature control. Electric eye masks are popular among people who want to relax their eyes. These eye masks can help people get rid of headaches, reduce eye strain, improve vision, and treat dry eyes. People who wear these eye masks often feel relaxed and refreshed. Most electric eye masks in the market could just provide eye treatment, while this product offers more comprehensive coverage. It can not only give you an eye treatment, but it can also keep your head warm, which makes it suitable for a short break, bedtime, traveling, and other occasions. It can be used anytime, anywhere. It is a great gift for birthdays, Thanksgiving, Christmas, and other holidays. It is inspired by disposable hot steam eye masks, which uses graphene carbon fiber heater to heat up the air inside the mask. Graphene carbon fiber heater can produce 6 to 14 micron far infrared after heating from human body, which can effectively relieve dry eyes and eliminates dark circles, puffy eyelids, and improves blood circulation around your eyes, giving you a relaxing eye therapy for 30 minutes. It is built-in thermal protection module. Once it is overheated, it would stop until it returns to normal temperature. It will stop working automatically if you go into deep sleep, and it will stop working automatically when it reaches the maximum temperature. It is made of high-quality materials, and it is durable enough for daily use. It comes with 3 years warranty. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the Graphene Time Silk Eye Mask, Heated Eye Mask. The Graphene Time Super Lightweighted Eye Mask with one-piece heat pressing cutting technology is made of pure silk, super lightweight, comfortable to wear, and soft enough to touch. With this eye mask, you can easily adjust the length according to your head size, and it won't press on your eyes. This eye mask is also very easy to use, and you can take it anywhere. You can enjoy a good night's sleep anytime and anywhere. At number 3 on our list, we have the eye mask for dry eyes. Eye masks are used as a protective measure to prevent eye infections and other diseases. People who wear them often say that they feel better after using them. However, there are many different types of eye masks available today. Some people prefer to sleep with the eye mask over their eyes, while others choose to remove it before going to sleep. Most eye masks are also reusable, but some are designed to be disposable. At number 4 on our list, we have the Heated Eye Mask Electric USB Heating Eye Mask Steam Eye Mask. Eye masks are very popular among people who want to get rid of dark circles or bags around their eyes. They also help prevent wrinkles and other signs of aging. These eye masks are designed to fit comfortably over your eyes while you sleep. They are made of soft material and are easy to use. You can wear them for hours without feeling uncomfortable. At number 5 on our list, we have the Aroma Season Heated Eye Mask. Lavender helps calm down people who feel stressed out. It also helps make them fall asleep fast. It's made with 3 classes of temperature, from 104 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and 3 classes of timing, from 20 to 60 minutes, so it will stop working automatically when someone goes into deep sleep. It's powered by a computer, a power bank, or a USB adapter. It's easy to carry around because it's light and portable. You can use it anywhere you want. It's a good gift for friends and family. Contact Aroma Season customer service team if you need any assistance. At number 6 on our list, we have the Aroma Season Heated Eye Mask. Lavender helps people relax and get a good night's sleep. This product is made with 3 classes of temperature and 3 classes of time. It stops working automatically when you enter deep sleep. It is powered by computer, power bank, or USB adapter. You can use this product anywhere you want. It is a good choice for you to take a rest for eyes in office, enjoy yourself on traveling, and have an eye spa at hotel. It is a good product for you. At number 7 on our list, we have the Heated Eye Mask for dry eyes. A hot eye mask that relieves pain and moisturizes eyes. It uses a combination of infrared and heat therapy to relieve fatigue and reduce swelling. It is perfect for soothing to sore eyes and tired eyes, and for treating blepharitis, dry eyes, and other conditions. It is comfortable and easy to use. It is also suitable for travel and business trips. This product comes with an adjustable elastic band and a USB charging cord. It is small and lightweight, making it convenient for traveling. It is also a great gift for friends and family. At number 8 on our list, we have the Optus Moist Heat Eye Mask. Each Liix eye pad is packed full of high-grade nutrient-rich pink Himalayan salt crystals that can be heated and cooled to provide soothing pain relief for headaches, sinus pressures, eye strain, dry eye, puffy eyes, black circles, hay fever and allergy. Can also be used an all-round relaxing experience to pamper yourself with a de-spa night at home. Made of ultra-soft velvet fabric and filled with odorless premium Himalayan salt crystal, simple and effective. For hot therapy, place the mask on plate and microwave around 60 seconds at medium heat and adjust about the eyes for a comfortable fits. For cold therapy, simply pop it in freezer bag and freeze for few hours, then adjust about the eyes for comfort fit. Warning: only dry clean or wipe over fabric with cleaning wipe, as any direct contacts with water may dissolve some salt crystals. We stand back all our products and offer customers a 1-year no questions asked money back guarantee if they aren't satisfied with our products. We want you to love them. Please do contact us first before you purchase if you have any issues. We will make things right. That's a Liix guarantee. At number 9 on our list, we have the Dr. Prepare Heated Eye Mask. This eye mask is made of soft cotton material. It has a flat design and an expanded size. It keeps soothing heat for relieving tiredness and dry eyes. It features 4 heat levels from 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. It also has 4 timer settings for automatic shutdown from 10 minutes to 30 minutes. It has a larger size and a velvet reverse. The elastic band and the small plastic buckles help create a comfortable fit. It has a bigger nose gap. It can block out unwanted light for a nighttime nap. It is compatible with most 5-volt 1 to 2 amp USB outlets. It can be powered by laptop batteries, car chargers, and other portable devices. You should take care to wash your eye mask regularly for personal hygiene. And finally, at number 10 on our list, we have the Aroma Season Heated Eye Mask. Eye masks are used to protect sensitive areas of the face such as the eyes. These masks are made out of plastic and foam and come in different shapes and sizes. They are available in many colors and styles. Some people use them to relax or sleep while others use them for medical purposes. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.